So with this one, what I would want to do, let me delete these branches. Let me go to view all branches. Okay. All right. So I'm going to share this. This is public, right? Where is the... Oh, and I have to make you guys collaborators. Okay, so you guys will... We'll have someone do this for the other repo. But so to add someone as a collaborator, like I think in order for more than one person to edit the exact same repository, you have to add them as a collaborator. So you can add people, and can people put their GitHub usernames in the Google chat? And you'll see the invite in your Gmail or maybe your GitHub. Okay, there's Chris. Add to this repository. Here's Love. So you should receive that invite. That's not coming up for me, Love. Double check it, maybe. Israel. Also, yours isn't coming up for me, Israel.
Oh, let me check my profile. It should be that one.
Shailene.
So it says I now have push access to the repository.
Mine either?
Why is it not? Oh, do I have to do it like this? Oh, my bad. Okay, yeah. I just was clicking the wrong thing. So let's see. There it is. Okay. And there's Jackie. People. Okay. And then with anybody else, that's everybody, right?
Love.
Thank you. Did you get me?
Oh, that was the other. Yeah, because I tried yours and I thought I wasn't right, but it was because I didn't put it in the right place. Here we go. There we go. All right, that should be everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So it seems like Israel and Chris accepted it.
Where would it be the invite?
Where have you guys been getting it? Your Gmails?
I got my in my email. Yes. It might pop up in your GitHub as well, possibly. I'm not sure.
Yeah, I think I found it. Damn, yeah, I think I did it.
Okay. Alrighty. So let's see how we're doing with that. Let me go back. Refresh. Okay. Just waiting on Jackie, it looks like. You can find it in your email. I've heard it can sometimes show up on your GitHub as well, but typically always in the Gmail from my experience, your email. Okay, great. Everyone's in. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is let's split it up like, I don't know. I'll have so 2 and 3. So let's just do, I don't know, Christian and Jackie, and then Love, Shailene, Israel. You're the other group.
Cool.
Okay. So, um, so each group make a branch for yourselves.
Per person or per group?
I'll suggest you per person.
Let me think.
Yeah, we could just make branches with our names, I guess.
That's my suggestion, at least. Maybe, I don't know if Alex has a different opinion.
Per person. Okay, yeah. Everyone make a branch. So and name your branch like your name and button BTN. Your name dash BTN.
Can you go check me? Sorry, Alex. You said your name and what?
Button like BTN.
Oh, okay. I think I may have got confused. It's not the same as forking.
That's what I was gonna say. Is it?
Oh, so yeah, I'm sharing my screen here. So the way you can create a band, well, let's practice it this way. So let's open up the code space.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, forking is when you make a copy of the repo and it's yours. It's like,
It's like a new repo that you created under your own.
yeah, but now we're gonna create a branch, which is like having a version of this exact same repo, and you can add something to it and then bring it back into the same repo.
Okay. So that I'm able to merge it, not separate it based. Okay.
So anyone remember how to make a branch from the terminal?
It would be git branch and the name.
Git.
I think -B. Oh no.
So you could do git branch and then the name of the branch you want to do. Yeah.
Or
so
you can
go ahead
also
and
do, or you can also do git checkout -B and the name of the branch, and it will automatically switch you to the branch.
That's the one I was
thinking out. I use checkout as well.
Okay, so because if you don't do the check it out, you have to do the check it out after you do the new branch, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
You will have to switch to the branch that you just created.
Okay.
Yeah, so that would
How
look
was
like
it? Check it out dash.
And then the name we want to
I have it during my
-B
screen.
and the name of the branch.
Okay.
So our
If you look at the
username
shared
and
screen,
then
it'll be there.
BTN.
Oh,
How do we write it again? Our name and BTN together?
yeah, your name dash. It can be whatever you want, but let's just go by that.
Okay.
I have some problems because I can see your, well, I accept your invitation, but I can see the first page where we have to do the code space.
Go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can do it.
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So here I accept the invitation, but then open this one.
Okay. How did you guys get there after you hit accept invitation? So you clicked the button, accept an invitation, and it brought you here?
Did you do it from GitHub, like the notification, or you did it from your email?
I got it from my email.
Oh, that's weird.
Go to repositories maybe? Let me just send it to you.
Mm-mm.
All right, look in the Google chat. Cool.
Okay. And then I have to open a code space,
Yeah,
right?
well, yes, but before doing that, it'll be quicker this way, and it's nice to show a variation. How do we create a branch from like here from GitHub? Anybody remember? Jackie or anybody else?
Here in
I
branch,
think
and then new branch here.
Nice. Yep.
yeah. Okay. Here.
So you're gonna put your name and
And
then
what
B-BTN, like button.
my name dash BTM.
Yeah. Like N, like Nancy, like short for
Oh,
button. And then
okay.
create it.
Okay.
Cool. And now let's open up a code space of that branch you just created.
Sorry.
Open up a code space of the branch you just created.
Open the code space here. Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Here.
Oh, you have to go in the top left, open up your code spaces and close some of them because you have 5.
I have to close what?
Code space.
Oh, I have a limit of 5.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will do it.
Perfect. All right.
Mm.
Alrighty. So now let's all well, let's see, what do we got here? In the index HTML. We got the form. Nice header. Okay, so let's try this. Christian.
Yeah.
Can you delete, like, inside the HTML, I want you to get rid of everything that's inside of the div container.
Everything?
Yep.
Like form, button.
All that stuff. And make sure we have a div that says container.
Uh-huh.
And let's just do that. Do that and commit and push to your branch.
Git commit. Remove.
A question about that while he's doing that.
Mm-hmm.
For the git commit, because I know I was doing it on other projects. Do we always do git add before committing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I push to
Your branch?
So that would be git push origin and then my branch name?
Well, if you look in your terminal, does it say you're in your branch already?
Yeah.
Then you can just do git push, and it'll go there.
Just git push. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and so
It says git push fatal. The current branch Chris button has no upstream branch.
but does
Push
it
to the
have
current branch and set remote as upstream. Use git push set upstream origin Chris button.
that thing? Yeah, copy that and paste it.
You got it.
Great. And now go to the GitHub repository.
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead and share your screen so we can all learn together.
Yeah,
And,
that would have been smart. Yeah, my bad.
yeah, I didn't think to tell you to do it either. And by the way, a really easy way to find the repository is inside your terminal. I know you have it there, but let's do it this way just to demonstrate it. In the terminal, do a git git remote -v like Victor and hit enter. And that shows you where it's pointing to, and you can do control click or copy and paste it.
Okay.
But you don't need to because there, yeah. So you see it pops up. So let's do that. So let's look at that. So we're in the same repository, but we're doing from Chris's branch. That's a drop down to the main branch, which is what we want. So let's do that. And you can change that if you want. Say what you did or something. And then create pull request whenever you're ready. All right. And so now everyone, you're in your code space in your branch. So Chris's changes went to the main branch now. So in your terminal, do git pull origin main.
Enter.
That didn't. Well, you wouldn't need to, Chris, because yours is up to date with main. Because
Yeah, they would have to do it to pull my changes.
yeah. So what happens when you guys do that? Didn't do anything.
Says that it's already update.
It said what?
Up to date, sorry.
Yeah,
It
already
updated
up
to
to date.
things changed.
It did update.
Yeah.
Mine is
So,
like not.
so the
Anyway,
everything within the div is gone for you guys, for everyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, wait, no.
mine isn't. I don't know why.
Yeah, mine isn't.
Well, maybe because you guys are in your own branch and not in main.
No, because
Oh, wait.
you merged
Oh,
it to
because your
main.
pool. I don't know.
Does his push request have to be like accepted first, or does it automatically go through?
Let me see.
What do you mean? What do you mean, though?
Because after the changes that Chris made, I know he sent a push request. So once he does that, or like whenever you do a push request, doesn't like the
Yeah.
the original owner have to like accept the push request before the changes are made?
Pull
Yes.
request, but
Oh,
make your screen make your screen bigger, Chris, of the GitHub. So I don't see your pull request. This branch has no conflict. Scroll down.
Yeah, so it says only those with right access can merge the pull request.
Oh,
So
but I
I'm
don't even
assuming
see
it's-
it.
yeah.
Pull request.
When you go to pull request on the top right, it doesn't show for you.
There aren't any open pull requests. Weird, but let me go to the collaborators. And let me see if I can give you.
Maybe like, did you click through these tabs, like the review request, mentioned, assign?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
5. So Let's see. Rules. How do I change your access? Branches, maybe. Hasn't been configured. Collaborators. Add collaborators. And then if I go to Chris here, for example, why can't I? Manage. Allow merge commits. Allow auto merge, perhaps. Auto merge? No, that don't sound right. Allow merge commits. Pull request. Here we go. So refresh your page, Chris, in the GitHub. And go back to your pull request. Yeah, go to the pull request. Like,
what do you mean?
Like the top left. The pull request button.
Oh, gotcha.
There, and click there. There's no conflicts, but it's not allowing you to do anything beyond that. And it's so weird because I literally don't see it. And you sure you? Oh, look it. You did a pull request to the 4Geeks repo instead of my repo. So can you click edit on the top right? I don't know if it lets you change that. Nah. So make a new pull request. Let's close this one or leave it. Same difference.
We do the pull request from the terminal again?
No. Go back to that. Open that up again. I didn't look at it closely enough when you did it. You can do that get remote V thing.
Yeah. Okay, I guess option click is not working. Is it supposed to be this?
No, maybe put it in the URL instead of like a Google search.
I did.
Why does it say Google?
Maybe just do this without the .get. No,
Why does it say Google?
because it's automatically sending it there, like a Google search. But that's fine. I mean, I could just
GitHub.com/blah blah blah. It should be that when you copy and paste it. Oh, there we go.
So I pulled from which one?
This one. This is good. Yeah.
Why does this one not even have an HTML file?
Oh wait, it's not that actually. Wait. Yeah. What the heck?
Build digital postcard.
And there's only one branch, and I saw this is some other stuff right here. Let me just send you this. None of this is making sense, but whatever. I'm just gonna. Oh, I already have it in the Google chat.
Okay.
All right, so make a new go to your branch, or you can just whatever. Go to your branch and then
So, my bad. My branch.
yeah, and it's not so instead go to pull request, I guess, in the top left, and new pull request. And now we got to change that thing on the left side. That, yep, and make sure it's the one that has my name there. Yep,
I think they both do, no?
the one in the middle,
This one.
I think. And now on the right, change it to your branch.
Oh, I had deleted these.
Got you. Okay, cool. So create that pull request.
My bad.
Nice. That's a good description. Perfect.
I just leave it like this.
That sounds good. Yeah. Great, great. Now you can merge that. So yeah, 4Geeks.
I merge it.
Yeah, merge it. 4Geeks. You're trying to make a progress to their repo, and they protect it because they want to make sure it's doesn't get messed with. Okay, now let's try everybody to do git pull origin main in your terminal. There we go.
Would I need to do it as well or no?
No, because
I'm the
your
one
branch
that
already
made
has
the
it.
changes. Yeah.
Nice. Now it shows.
Perfect. So look, Israel, you got it. Shailene, Jackie.
No.
Yeah, it's good.
So I have to write git remote.
No, git pull origin main. Perfect. So,
Origin main.
yeah. And each one has a space. Git space pull space origin space main. All right. So how about Shailene? You share your screen. We'll do the next part of that.
Okay.
Great. So you can see when you did that in the terminal, all those red lines shows these things were deleted. I mean, that's all Chris did. He deleted stuff, so it makes sense.
Mhm.
It says 3 files were changed, 1 insertion, 73 deletions. Great. So now inside, well, can you also get rid of the user data stuff in
This?
the HTML? Like the class
Oh.
user data. I only want to see inside the body. I only want a div that says container.
So get rid of
Everything else you can get rid of.
like that.
Just like I only want to see a body and a div with the class of container. Anything else you can get rid of.
So we can do line 14 to I think line 31. Oh, I don't know. If
Yeah.
it's the same.
You can get rid of the script
All
too.
of those. Yeah.
Okay, great. And make sure the div is closed. I think it's missing a closing div. Okay. So inside the container, I want you to create a div and do a class name for each person in here. So we got Chris, Love, you, Jackie, Israel. Carlos, do you think you could catch Austin up to where we're at right now?
Sure.
Perfect. All right, and now push that, Shailene, to your branch.
So it'll be git push origin.
No, when you're in your branch, you don't need to. You're already on your branch, so you don't need to. You can just do git push. But you have to do git add dot, of course. But all right, I got that breakout room for Carlos and Austin. Opening the rooms. I can't see all these things. All right, and copy that thing in the middle. Git push setup stream origin that thingy. Yep. Enter that. Great. So you push those changes to your branch. No one has access to this because it's only in your branch. So go to the repository of the GitHub. And now you can click on that right there, the compare and pull request. And now let's be careful. Let's make sure on the left-hand side of that top rectangle, make sure that one is, well, you can click on the drop down right there. Yep. Make sure it's, what is it, the one in the middle, I believe?
Yeah, I think so.
Cool.
Yeah.
And so it's your branch, Shailene, to the main branch, which is what we want. Cool. And now we can create the pull request. Great. And as a reminder, right now, for practice sake, we're going through this, but typically in a professional setting, your tech lead or someone else in your group, or it can just be another developer, it's a request. Normally, you don't make a pull request and merge it on your own. That doesn't make sense. You're like, can I do this? And you do it anyway. It's like, so what would happen is go ahead and click on the commits. You see there's conversation, commits, checks, file change. So your tech lead will look, okay, here's a commit Shailene said she did. Now go to files changed. And then your tech lead would look at this. Okay, I see the red, Shailene got rid of that. And I see in the green down there, she added these divs. And they'll analyze that and they'll send you notes. Or they'll say like, looks good. And then they'll allow you to merge it.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's what it actually used for. And that's the whole point of a pull request. Yeah, so go back to conversation and so they will leave a note for you in the conversation tab. Looks good, or take a look at line 59. You forgot to add this, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, and then go ahead and merge the pull request. Confirm. All right, so everyone can go back to their code spaces and do git pull origin main again. And hopefully we should see the new changes.
Yeah.
Git pull origin main.
Yep, worked perfectly.
Sweet.
Yeah.
All right, so let's now we all have our divs. So everyone inside of your div that has your class name, Austin, you all set?
Add Jackie.
Oh, you
Yeah,
forgot
yeah.
Jackie. Austin, you all set?
He's ready. He's gonna send you his GitHub user so you can
Okay.
add in.
Sweet. Sounds good. All right, whenever you're ready with your GitHub username, I'll add you to it.
I think it's building softly, the one that
Okay.
you just put here.
Makes sense. All right, so Austin, you'll go ahead and share your screen. You'll do the next part really quickly. Collaborators. Add people. Oh wait, yeah, gotta do that. All right, So maybe we can give Austin a second. So everyone in your div, if you don't have a div, just go ahead and create it. With the class name that has your name in it, inside of there, put I don't know, an H1 that says your name,
Cool.
and a paragraph that says your whatever favorite food or something, and push it to your branch, and then merge it to the main.
Alex.
Yeah.
Also, I was checking my my Git for that. Nothing happened when I dig the Git push origin main. Still the same.
Git pull. It should be pull.
Oh, sorry. Let me check. Pull. Okay. Wow. Say it's the same. It says are already up to date, but nothing happened.
Well, what do you have inside your HTML? Does it show the divs with all the?
No, it's like the first time. Actually, it didn't change anything.
I wonder if you pushed your changes to the HTML. No, I see that it's still that. Share your screen.
Okay.
So you should accept the invitation, Austin, if you haven't already. Go to your email.
We are on my.
Go to your code space.
Okay.
Do you want us to
Oh, yeah.
already do the pull request or no?
Yeah, make a pull request to main. Yep. Yeah, this looks like a different. I see in your go. So go back to the repo. Yeah, this is oh, because you forked it. Click on that.
It should be this one, right?
Yeah, so make a code space from here, not a forked one, but the same exact one.
Okay, so I just start a new code space from here.
Yeah, make a new code space, and in the terminal, make a branch.
Okay, I make this.
Let me see if Austin accepted. So look, it still looks like it's pending your invite, Austin. You're gonna go to your email and look for it, and click accept invitation.
So in this case, we don't have to fork the Geo repository.
Exactly.
Why is that?
Well, this is an example of more than one developer working on the same files.
Okay.
And you can make a branch that is like a version of the exact same repo, and then you put your changes in the same repo. So forking it, it's like you guys all work in a building. If you fork the building, that's like you built the same building on a different street.
Oh, okay, so we don't have like a copy. We're working in the same, like
In the same building, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's why, because I was doing the Git pull in my own repository.
Exactly. Yep. So make a branch with your name.
Check out.
Did you get your invite, Austin?
Okay. Okay. Now it's good. Okay.
Perfect. So go into your div and put H1 with your name and a paragraph with your favorite food or something like that.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. So now the same thing for you, Austin. I see you accepted it. So open up a code space of the main branch. Make a branch with your name, and then make a div with your name in it. You can share your screen because I know you just got here, and we can get you through it.
Can I ask a quick question?
Yeah.
So after I do my changes and I do the commit and everything, I do get push with um the URL for the repository.
Not just
Sorry,
get
say it
push.
again. What?
Just get push alone. Just type get
Oh,
push
just
and that's it.
push.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the reason why you should know that works is because in the terminal, in parentheses, it says your branch name.
Yes. Okay.
So that means when you do get push, it points to
It
that.
automatically goes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I copy.
I think if you
That
type
link, right?
I think if you type get branch enter, it'll tell you what branch you're in as well, like highlighted.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So yeah, go open up code space. 100%. You're at 100%. Do you have access go to the top left, Austin, the 3 lines, and click on code spaces. Scroll all the way down. Even more down. Oh, what do you think, Carlos? It looks like he doesn't have 4Geeks access. Because it said 100% of his code spaces is used, and I don't see anything about 4Geeks when he scrolls down.
Who's this?
Austin.
All these are code spaces owned by Austin and not by 4Geeks. Yeah.
Maybe we can message Lauda then.
Go back to the repo. Go back to the repo. Okay. Go to code. Okay, erase that that code spaces that you have, that code space that you have there. No, you see where the little 3 dots are? Right there where it says on other branches automatic space something. Okay. Let's see if you can delete it. Like a little bit down. No. I don't know if there is a button like a red. Okay. Try to do it again. Okay. I don't know if there's a button below because I cannot see your screen if there. Okay. Delete it. Okay. Try to create a new one.
Yeah, because it's also about like the hours, like how many code spaces are open is one limit, maybe, but also the amount of hours you use in a month, I think, is another thing that runs out. Because you're gonna have to do it locally while we wait for.
But if you're sure that you have like a code spaces belonging to a null project, try to erase that one and try to create a new one. Go to learn more about code spaces, or if you want in the upper side where you have the
Maybe you guys can go to a breakout room to see if you can fix it, and if not, give a quick tutorial on like doing it locally.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
The thing's still open, right?
Uh,
Breakout room. Yes, it is. Go ahead, Austin. Go to that breakout room so Carlos can hook you up. Alrighty. So where are we at? Everyone merged to main?
Yeah.
I think I did.
Me too.
So you want us to merge it after the pull request? Okay.
Yes.
Sorry.
Well, I haven't merged. I was waiting for everyone to finish.
Oh no, go ahead. Everyone merge.
Okay.
How do you know if you did? Like, where would
So-
you see it?
Well, if you go to the main branch on the GitHub repo and you refresh it, you can click on the index.html file. So far, no one merged. Only Chris merged. It seems like you think you didn't, Chris, but you did.
No, I did. I just did it after saying that.
Oh,
I have a question.
you did already though. This said something about pad thai, and now it says something about sushi.
Yeah, because I did it before you said it, and then you're like, "Oh, put your favorite food," so I switched it.
Oh, got you. What's up?
Because I just written some random ass.
So I did my pull request, and it says this branch has conflicts that must be resolved.
Ooh, go ahead and share your screen. So yeah, everyone should be merging. Hey Drew. Let me
Is my
see.
screen sharing?
No, I mean I don't see it yet.
I'm gonna give you some instructions in the chat, Drew. See how far you can get by following it, and try to share your screen. Left.
Okay. Here we go.
Screen share not working. Oh, there we go. Okay, so click on resolve conflicts.
I don't get it.
Oh yeah, it's like so here's a good one. So here's a good point, everybody. Chris merged to the main his div that has Chris like sushi or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And Love is trying to merge her thing that is div Chris's div is empty. So the conflict is we have one version of the div class Chris empty and another version of the div class Chris with the sushi.
Okay.
So what a good thing to do for that is go back to your code space. And here's another interesting thing. When you make a pull request to your branch, if you change something in your code right now and do git add dot git commit push, it will update your pull request. Like, remember, a pull request is you're requesting to bring your changes to whatever place you're. So if we update your code right now, it will also update the request you're making.
Oh, I see. Got you.
So now in your terminal, do git pull origin main.
Need to specify how to reconcile diverging branches.
Scroll up a tiny bit. Highlight. You see, there's three things. Go up again.
Sorry.
There's one that says hashtag merge. Highlight that, not the merge part, but the highlight the git thing.
This part, okay.
Yep. And paste it and.
Oops. Not meant to do that.
and then do git pull origin main
Okay.
again.
Oh, I think.
So now we're doing, okay, this is perfect. So it's showing the conflict here.
Okay. Yes.
So click on resolve and merge editor. Check this out, everybody. Look at the share screen. So don't click it yet, actually.
Oh, sorry. Oops, my bad.
No worries. Go ahead and just exit out that thing that popped up, the tab in the top.
Close with conflicts.
Yeah. All right, everyone's checking out this screen?
Yeah.
All right, so a good way to avoid merge conflicts, which is where code is a little too similar but different versions,
Yeah.
is before making a pull request, you pull from main, because main is supposed to be the branch that is like the most final up-to-date version. So you want to pull from main into your branch, so that way whatever request you make to put in the main branch is up to date.
Okay.
Um,
It's putting it in like the up to date main branch.
yeah. So
But it wouldn't erase the content that you just added.
it depends. The conflict, it doesn't automatically change your, if there's a conflict, it gives you a chance to address it and choose between the two different versions.
Okay, got it.
So go ahead and click resolve and merge editor. Most IDEs have this. Go ahead and close your files on the left. Okay, and bring your terminal down a little bit. Okay, great. So here we have on the left, top left, it says incoming. Hover your mouse over that, love. Incoming. So that means those are the changes that are coming from the thing that isn't your branch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And as you can see, it says Chris loves sushi. And then on the right is the current, meaning what you currently have.
There's
So can you
nothing
scroll
there.
down on the, so yeah, you see there, it shows what you changed. Inside
Okay.
the love, you put love, nothing's better than mac and cheese. And if you scroll up, it shows Chris's div with nothing in it.
Right. Okay.
So now you can choose which one you want to keep. So scroll up in the bottom. That's the
On the
never
bottom.
Oh, here we go. Um, does it let you scroll down the result if you hover over? You
If
see,
I
like,
go here.
result. Yeah, if you hover above it a little, does it show a thing to scroll it down? Don't click it. Just move your mouse. Like it, you see how it's like a rectangle? Like move it a tiny bit above the result thing.
Oh, I see. Let me see. Like,
Not the scroll bar, but the, like in the middle, directly in the center of your page, you see right there. Now go down a tiny bit.
oh, okay. Sorry.
Not that. Not the scroll bar. Scroll down with, like, move your mouse cursor down a little bit. Don't like scroll anything. Just move the mouse.
Oh, just move the mouse. I'm sorry.
There. Down a little tiny bit. There.
Oh, I see. My bad. Okay.
Hard to explain. There we go. All right, we're in business. So now you see that in gray letters it says accept incoming, accept combination, ignore. So this is where you get an opportunity to choose, am I going to keep what's coming from the main branch, or do I say no, I want to keep my version? Because sometimes what they have in the quote unquote up-to-date version doesn't represent what you're doing, and you know that yours is more updated.
Okay. Yeah.
And sometimes it's vice versa. Like, oh yeah, this is a more final version that. So in this case, Chris's version is the more up to date. We know Chris's div should have something inside.
Right.
His does, yours doesn't. So we can, on the left, click accept incoming. Whoa. Okay.
And now
so,
in the bottom, I think you got to just complete the
Like in the
merge.
terminal part. Oh, complete merge.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Can,
Nope. Because it got rid of your stuff.
I got rid of mine.
So we had to click accept current as well. So go to. You made a commit of that already, right?
Yes.
So on the left, there's kind of put your you have to close a box a little. You see where there's the it's similar to what I was trying to explain to you before. There's like if you move your
Oh,
mouse
okay.
uh, more down, right
Gosh.
there. So bring that down. Now open up Stage Changes. Oh, it was open. Click on Index HTML.
Okay, so this is mine here.
No. Oh, that's yours. Okay.
Yeah.
So
without
maybe just let's see. Can we? Well, let's just copy your div right there. Like highlight it and copy it. And now let's go to index HTML and paste it in. I guess get like delete that and then paste what you got.
Okay. And then just commit these changes.
Now you need to add.
Git add.
Yeah, I think
Oh.
you need to add it
Oh,
again and then commit it.
okay.
You missed the M there, 2 M's in the commit.
Oh, thank you. Fixed merge issues.
Sure, yeah. Okay, enter.
Okay. So
And
now I
can,
pull, push.
You push. Yep.
I gotta distinguish between those two.
All right. So now this should update the pull request you're making
Okay. So
because
if I go,
that pull request is connected to your branch. So go to
Right.
a GitHub repo right there.
Alex,
Conflicts. Mm-hmm.
before we continue, I did the same as Love did. First, add the commit, and then I did the pull. But I have the problem of the conflict of divergent
Okay.
branches. So
Mm.
the I have to write git config pull git and then the merge that it's in the terminal.
Let's have you share your screen right after we're done with love, and we'll figure
Okay.
that out. So open up, click on your pull request, the title of that, so you can open it.
is this?
Like click on the. You have to open up the port just by clicking on the title of that. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. So now I should be able to merge it.
Great. It has no more conflicts
Oh,
anymore.
it's
So
just-
go ahead and merge that.
Okay. All right. So
Okay. So let me see where we're at.
should be good now.
So fix merge issues. So I got Chris and I got Love. So Shailene, Israel, were you guys also getting merge conflicts?
Yeah, I have
No.
like a whole error message.
No, I don't have.
Israel, you do not?
No, it looks like was successful. It doesn't say anything about.
I don't see yours here when I go to the thing. So Jackie, go ahead and share your screen and let's see. Now that we went through that with Love, let's see if we can figure out her merge conflict. And I'm going to look at your message now, Carlos, see what you're.
Sure.
I don't know. Did you guys? We didn't. No, we didn't fork. I just sent them it.
Yeah,
I
because
forked it, but
yeah, you forked it. Therefore, you cannot put 4gigs as the owner to have code spaces owned by 4gigs.
I forked it from 4Geeks. Let's see. If I open it up, it says forked from 4Geeks.
Uh huh.
If I
Yeah,
open
but
that,
once you're gonna create the code spaces, it won't give you the option.
I don't know. For me, it says code space usage for this repository is paid for by 4Geeks Academy.
Hmm.
Go ahead. If you go to it, what does it tell you? If you go to that GitHub repo.
Yeah, once I am going to create the code spaces right there,
Mhm.
it lets me create the code spaces, but it won't let me see the option of making it owned by 4gigs or by me. It jumps automatically into a code spaces that is going to be owned by me and not by not by 4gigs. I tested out.
Oh, weird. Because mine, maybe because it's my repo.
I think so.
Go to your who is this? Jackie, right?
Yeah.
Go to the GitHub, the GitHub.
My GitHub. Um,
Mm-hmm. The repo, and
Single.
go to code. Click on code on the top left, like more top left.
there. Code.
Yep. Yep. And click on code. Limit of 5 based on policy set by 4Geeks. Delete an existing message spaces of 4Geeks.
That's how many code spaces she can have open at a time, I believe.
Yeah, I know, but we're exploring to see if you guys can create a code space for 4Geeks with this repo. Let's test this really quick. On the top left, with the 3 lines,
On the top left,
three
three lines.
lines,
Okay.
and then click on code. Oh, you have it on your Windows already. Go to code spaces on the top of your web, the all the way up there, the tab, or click there. All right, scroll all the way down. Like scroll down. Keep going down. All right, so delete the last one with the 3 dots, and okay. Now go back with the back button on the website, and go back again, and click on the green code.
But I will do it. I will do another one
Refresh.
because
No, refresh the page. Yeah, code space usage for this repository is paid for by 4Geeks Academy. So I don't know. That's weird. Um,
because I already opened this, but
yeah, no, I was checking for something
I'm
for us.
gonna I'm gonna go back to the breakout room with Austin
Cool, and maybe just have him try to do it locally if all else is
because I
failing.
I am I am I am suspecting that maybe he's not part of the organization because I
Yeah, he
saw
might be
like a
sending
bunch of
messages directly.
like a bunch of code spaces, but all of them were owned by him and
Yeah, yeah,
not by 4gigs.
I
Okay.
think so. Alrighty, so go to your there. Yep. All right, guys. So that looks good. Hit enter there. Uh, Git config is scroll up a little bit in the terminal.
up in the terminal.
Yep. Just a tiny bit. Go down a little bit. A little more down. Okay, copy it again. Get config pull rebase false. Copy that. Go all the way down. And paste it.
Paste it.
Yep.
Enter.
Yep. Do get pull origin main. And exit that out. The thing that popped up. Tab. Merge message on the top.
Yeah. This one. Okay.
Yeah. All right. There you got Chris and Love. So we're good.
Okay.
Perfect. Now you have Jackie. So add and commit and push this to your branch.
Oops.
Yeah, because we want to request that your branch gets to the main branch, and we want to make sure the most recent changes are there.
So is git add.
Mm-hmm.
Git add. And then
And I would say the message to be you pulled from main.
from main.
Yeah, the main branch. That's what you did.
And then git push.
Yeah. Yes. All right. Now go to the repo. All right. Do compare and pull request.
Do I have to write something here?
Well, let's make sure. So on the left-hand side, you see on the top rectangle there.
On the left.
No. So
pull request.
No. And a little more down where it says open a pull request. A little more down there, right here. So the base repository, what's on the left of the arrow is where you want it to go. So we want it to go the one in the middle that says Ayala, Palacin, that thing.
This one?
Yes. So now we're in the same repo, and you're going from the branch of your username button to the main.
Okay.
It says able to merge. There's no conflicts anymore.
Mm-hmm.
So now you can scroll down and
create pull request.
Create pull request, yeah.
Oh, Alex, I think that I didn't. The reason why my merge is not showing out is because I think I did the merge with the first with 4 gits and not with Ayala Palacin. That's why.
Ooh, that makes sense. Okay, so see if you can. Did you try to change it then?
Yeah. Oh.
Now merge pull request.
Yes.
And confirm merge.
Great. So now everyone do git pull origin main. And Shailene, maybe you can share your screen.
So I have to write also again the git pull origin main or no?
No, because yours is already up to date with
Okay.
that. Carlos, could you catch Drew up?
Okay.
Because he joined late and all right, so here we'll put Drew. So he already has access, I know. So we just need to get him to make a branch, pull, and do the button in the header or whatever it is. All right, Drew, go ahead with Carlos. Great. Okay, this is Shailene. All right. So you just did. Oh, it wants you to commit before. So go ahead and commit your changes.
Oh, okay. I could say I added the information in my div. So
Yeah,
added.
sounds good. Cool, and push it. Well, you don't need to push it technically, but go ahead and push it anyway. All right, and now try get pull origin main. Nice. All right, y'all. Let's work through this. Shailene, give it a shot, and folks try to tap in to see if we need any assistance here. I would close the terminal.
Accept both changes? No.
Huh, interesting. So it seems like at one point. Oh, so what's the difference? What's the main difference here?
One of them has my name. Well, both of them have my name twice. Like my div twice.
Well, not really.
Well, one has the information, the other one doesn't.
So the word head, you see on line 21, it says head.
Mm-hmm.
That means that's your branch. So in green, that's like the highlight green is the stuff that you have. And the
So
one
would
in
it be
blue is what's
accept both of
coming.
them?
Well, so
I think both, no?
I think so because in the blue, that's what's coming from the main branch. So in the blue, look at the Shailene on line 27. It's empty.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't want to only keep that because then it'll delete what you did. But then we need the Jackie one. So I would do both, yeah.
Yeah.
And now we got everything. So we want to get rid of that. Now we got Shailene, we got Jackie, Love. Where's Chris? Chris is up there. All right, so now that looks good. So we can add and commit and push.
So this happens if like developers are working or they're committing or submitting pull requests like at the same time.
Kinda. I think what a lot of people say is if you don't pull from the main often enough and you don't put your changes in main often enough, this kind of stuff will happen because we want to make sure everyone, as much as possible, has the most up to date stuff.
Okay.
So you should like when you get a good chunk done or you finish the feature right away, merge it into main so that way everyone else can pull from main.
Gotcha.
And you should also be pulling from main as often as possible so you get what everyone else did. And that way everyone, it's just a cycle. It's all up to date all the time.
Okay.
It's never perfect, but
Yeah.
if you hold on to your little gem for so long, then everyone else will be so out of date. And
Gotcha.
then they try to combine it and yeah.
Do I do git push after this too?
Say it one more time.
Do I do git push again to?
No, you so you push it to your branch. Now we're gonna make a pull request to merge your changes to the main one.
Oh, with this, right?
Yeah.
Um, will be a new one.
Yeah. Surprised it didn't pop up, but we can do it this way too. All right. So first, we always want to look at that part right there. So make sure it's the right one. And now we want to take on the right the new changes, which will be from your branch. And it's going to the main. So that looks good. So you can create that pull request.
I do have to change this or leave it as is.
In the real world, you would change it so just so like people know what it is.
What did I write? Remove.
Well, the main thing is it's your information, your name, and what you like to eat. So Shailene's info or something like that. And this is nice because like sometimes the project is moving along, and then they're like, "Wait, this test isn't working anymore. Since when? How?" And then they go back to all the pull requests, and the titles can say, "Uh huh." Shailene put her info here, and our sponsors don't like whatever, and then you can change from that pull request, or maybe that pull request was the last best version, and then we like so yeah, no conflicts. You can merge pull request. Confirm that. All right, so everyone can now do git pull origin main to make sure we get Shailene stuff. And so Israel, were you able to figure yours out?
Well, I was trying to like reverse the commit or the commit, not the pull request, the merge that I just did, and I was doing that, but I think I got lost.
All right, sure. Go ahead and share your screen, and then
Okay.
we'll probably take a break after that.
Okay.
Removed extra name div.
I was here. Okay, this is not. Well, I was using the Copilot to do that, and then I don't know if I'm doing the correct thing. I did this git fetch origin, and then I was doing this git reverse, and I think this is the number of the merge of the I just did.
Okay.
But it says error.
So what do you have right now? You have love. So on line 16, love did do it. So do git pull origin main in your terminal. Copy that first line, git config pull rebase false.
Without the hashtag though.
And the merge.
And the merge, yeah, like the whole right side.
Okay.
Okay. Do git pull origin main again. Oh, commit them. So yeah, git add dot, git commit. Make sure you're inside the quote though.
Yeah, the quotes.
Move
I
one to
think
the
that is
left.
not the right one.
Okay, no, I got this.
There you go.
Cool. Now do git pull origin main again. All right, now resolve and merge editor. I mean, I guess we don't need to, but
Yeah.
Cool. Here we are. So I would close your files to give yourself some more room. Okay. So um go ahead and make your terminal smaller. Okay, let's scroll up. All right. So aceptar entrante is what's coming from the main. And we see it says Shailene. That's the stuff we want. And aceptar actual is what your branch has. So I guess we want to keep
Combinación, ¿no?
right combinación. We want what's in your branch because if it's look in the entrante, it
Mm-hmm.
has Israel is empty on line 20.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, okay.
And that's
So,
not good because you added stuff to yours. So yeah, do combinación.
okay. Both. Okay.
And now
Complete
complete
merge.
merge.
Equal merge.
The bottom right.
Okay. Yeah. Complete merge.
Now let's look at it before we do the confirmación.
Okay. Let's move that.
Love is there. Chris is there. Yeah, all looks good. So now you can do the confirmación. You can change the message there if you wanted.
Confirmation.
Okay, and sincronizar. So there in the
Why was different with them and with me? Because I didn't get the two screens with aceptar entrante and
You could
right,
do it. You could do it before.
exactly. You can choose to use the merge editor or just look at it and click on the buttons.
oh, okay.
Typically. So do sincronizar, which is the same as get push, by the way, when we do it there.
Oh, okay.
But
I think yes, right? Yes, aceptar.
I guess so, yeah.
I need to change that. Okay. It's loading. Let's go.
I think it worked. Let's see. Yeah.
I have to do the pull request or
Do oh yeah, true, right. So go to your branch, go to the repo. I like forgot what was going on.
oh, this is the okay. This is the one before.
I think you have to change your thing that you're sharing.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Okay, there we
This
go.
is the okay. This is the one before, so I need to go to the.
Well, if it's the same branch, then it should have updated. So let's try that. Open up the Israel button. So yeah, go to the top.
Okay.
And go to commits. Maybe better files changed on the top right. Here we go. Let's look at this index. There it is. Chris, love, Israel. It all looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect. All right. So go to conversation. Oh, and by the way, in the files change thing, sometimes your tech lead can go there and they'll add like a comment. It's kind of nice because it'll like go do click the three dots. You see where it says index HTML?
Okay.
No, in the middle of the page. More in the center.
Yeah.
Where yeah, and click on the three dots on the
the index. Okay, right.
There.
Okay.
Actually click on the not the three dots, the text box icon thing. Do that. Cancel. Do the three dots one more time. Okay, I won't waste more time. There is a way that tech leads will like go and like leave a comment on the specific code, like this function right here, and it'll like be right on the thing. Anyway, go to the conversation on the top left.
Okay. Conversation. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And scroll down. There should be like.
Oh, look, this was the last one, the last before that I just. So,
That's fine.
uh,
Oh, only those with write access. Oh, look at the pull request. If you look at the top, you don't even have to scroll up. Just look at the top. It says you're going from the Yana to the Forks. Yeah, so we got to make a new pull request.
Oh, so here it says open.
You could close the pull request on the bottom.
Okay, close pull request.
And then make a new one.
Reopen pull request or
no? That opened the exact same one. You
oh,
want to
okay. So I just
go to scroll up and then
something here like mistake. I don't know. Delete branch?
No. Scroll all the way to the top.
Close it.
Yeah, so click on pull request.
Okay, it's
and new pull request. And now on the right, it should be your branch. Wait. Oh, you're in the.
I have to go to my right to my my repository.
No, not there. That's code spaces. So.
Oh, so it should be. What is?
So go to your code space with your actual code.
Okay.
And in the terminal, do git remote -v.
Dash v.
A lowercase v like Victor.
Oh.
And you can do command click or option click or just copy and paste the URL and put it in your
the origin or the X1?
The origin.
Okay, should be.
Okay, now do pull request. New pull request. And now we got to change the one on the left. The drop down should be the second one there.
Oh.
Now it's in the same repo, and on the right, it should be your branch.
When I press your one that you told me, it's like it changed everything.
Yeah, click on the where it says compare. Right there, it should be your branch. All right, that's main. We want to keep it as main. Now create pull request, and click create pull request. The green button, and then we're gonna merge pull request. Confirm merge. Great. Now everyone has access to it, and we're all good. Great. Awesome. So now we got a taste of that. So we'll take our break now and reconvene 8:05, and we'll try to apply this to the 4Geeks project. Be something similar. So yeah, see you guys soon.
All right.